Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. This is the most requested video from you guys. Whenever I post a video, some of you guys always ask how I maintain her hair, if I can do a wash day routine. So we are here to do a wash day routine for you guys, so stay tuned. She has this, but she doesn't like to use it. So let's get started. This is what her hair is looking like. Bear with us. She doesn't like to stay one place whenever I'm washing her hair. I also brought this so she can sit here and you guys can see her very well. I hope you guys can see her. Yeah, I hope they can see you. Take the seat out. Honey. This is the shampoo I'll be using. Kiss Share Moisture. Yeah, raise your head up, honey. And not your darling. Yeah. Can you raise your head up a little bit? Thank you. Yeah, honey. So it's always difficult to wash her hair. Sit down. Raise your head up for mama. And another. Raise your head for mama. And another. Raise your head for mama. Hey honey, sit down. Aww. Stand up, please. This is extra nourishing conditioner. I always love to apply it enough. Honey, sit down. Thank you. I know, with us. Yeah, washing the face is not it's not easy. The product is amazing on her hair, also on her sister's hair. I'm going to detangle her hair. Look at those coils. The coils are popping. The coils are popping. You okay, honey? Are you okay, my love? Sweetie mama. She's quiet now. I hope I'm safe now that you are quiet like this. Hey, mama. Ada mommy mo. Ada naya. Ada naya. You guys. Can you guys see the coils? The coils are popping. So I'm going to wash it out now. You okay? Yeah. Yes, Mama. And Oscar, come and sit down, sweetie. Madam, yeah, sit down. Thank you. Thank you, darling. Sit down. I'll see you guys later. Let me give her a hot shower, okay?